So hi everyone, this morning I'm starting a video because I randomly woke up super early and I decided to Google like a quarantine kind of schedule. I woke up at 7 o'clock today, but I stayed in bed at least until 8 o'clock, but this starts at 7 in the morning. So the first thing you're meant to do is skincare, stretch, make your bed, eat breakfast, get dressed. So far I've just gotten up and I had a cup of tea and I had a bowl of Cookie Crisp for breakfast. I'm gonna make my bed, I'm gonna get dressed, and then the stretching part, like I don't know what to do, like what am I figure out some stretches to do, I suppose. But this is me now and I'm just gonna make my bed, proof the pillows, you know yourself. And I'm whispering because it's like really early in the morning. So next is going to be my skincare, and I'm using the Garnier White Infused Cleansing Water. And then I go in with some moisturizer, and this is only like, this is only if I feel like using this, like I really don't even use this, but it's different language. Le Rocher-Posay. Yeah, so that would be my skincare. Literally, literally that's like all I would do. So next on the list is to stretch and get dressed. So I'm gonna do that for you guys now. Okay, so that's just a little few stretches I'm going to do. I took it off a picture that I had on my vision board. It's meant to be for better sleep, but it's still stretching, so I just said that's what I'll do for now. So yeah, I'm just gonna go get dressed now. That's the next thing on the list. So the next thing on the list for today is do something for the soul, so like meditation or read. But considering I just did my stretches, to me I'm like, that's meditation to me. I'm not doing that again. And I don't actually like ever read, but I do want to read this book, and it's The Longest Ride. I've seen the movie like 100 times. I cry every time. Apparently books hit harder, and I wanted to like read the book and see if it like hit me even harder than the movie does. Looks like I got as far as page 28 since December, so we're gonna sit out the back and give this a go. So it's 9:20 now. I read my book for the last 20 minutes and I'm on page 47 now. So I'm just gonna check what's next on the list. It says something for the brain. Attend online lectures, do homework, study, ready for school, read for school, work on puzzles if all done. So I'm not gonna do all of that. So I might just go for a walk downtown. I have to go to the shop anyway. So yeah, my next plan of action is to go downtown and go to the shop. So I'm just back from walking downtown. I mean, I was sweating. I went out with my big bubble jacket and a pair of tracksuit bottoms, thinking like it was cold. But some good news is, look what arrived today. Ooh, beach. Chromatica, Lake Gaga beach, chromatica. So yeah, I just realized that I'm gonna go and finish editing a video. I don't have anything on my schedule to do now up until 11:30, and it's only 10:15 now. So that's what I'm gonna do. So 96% nearly done saving my YouTube video. So yeah, the video is just done saving now. Next thing on the schedule is to have something to eat from 12 until 1. I mean, it doesn't take me an hour to eat something, but I think I'm just gonna have 2 bananas. I think I'm just gonna have 2 bananas, a bit of peanut butter, some oats, flax seeds, maybe milk blended together as like a smoothie kind of thing. So I think that's just what I'm gonna have, and I'll show you guys me making that. So it's just gone 1 o'clock, and the next thing I have to do is spend time outside. So I'm literally gonna sit here and sunbathe. So the next thing on the list is to work out. I ended up sunbathing there for way too long. But the next thing to do is like work out, do yoga, like something physical, something for the body. And I'm just gonna do one of Chloe Ting's workouts. I don't think I can do that anymore. God, Jesus, I can't breathe. So the next thing is do something productive, like clean your room and something like that, but like my room's clean, so what I'm actually going to do is just cook my dinner and start by cutting up these chicken fillets. I decided to do that outside. I don't know how long it'll last before wasps and flies and everything come at me, so I'm gonna make this quick. So I'm gonna be using this all day La Paso seasoning mix. I have my cut up chicken fillets. So that's what I'm gonna do for now. So the next thing was to chill out for about an hour, watch TV, go on social media, do whatever you want to do. And I just decided that I'm gonna go downtown and get stuff that I needed to bring to Craig's. And now I'm just cooking that chicken because next is my dinners. So I'm just out of the shower and the next thing on the list is winding down time. So take sleeping pills or vitamins, shower, face mask, journal, express gratitude, and then sleep by 10. I'm not going to be asleep by 10. I'm not going to do a journal or express my gratitude or a face mask, but I did shower and I did take tablets, so I'm just going to go to bed and that's going to be it for the end. Look at my shadow. So that's going to be it for this video, so please like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys like this vlog, so I'm so distracted by my shadow. Anyway, bye guys.